skied there. After making 6 hits in a row, he could still stand. This man has mastered his own work. Moonwalking is not that simple, but this girl did it even underwater. He can lift anything, including you. Woo, that's been burning rubble. Yeah. Woo. I have found Maverick's new opponent. He quit. He even left the car behind. While you're struggling to draw a line with the ruler, he just needs his crazy steady hand. Even with his eyes blindfolded, he excelled in this challenge. Jason threw the axe in the right place 3 times in a row, making these girls go crazy. His incredible flexibility made me think he's a noodle. Lastly, the thumb hole in the bowling ball is drilled to provide comfort and control for the player. In reality, concrete pipes are widely used in installation under roads, railways, and materials are indispensable materials in this process. With the advantages of being light, durable, and economical, aluminum alloy is used as the material to produce mass quantities of car wheel rims. Out of nowhere. When you promised yourself to quit smoking, but life has other plans. Now we know what Luffy Gatling's gun looks like. Joy and pride. Oh boy. You play a lot. Huh, right on the cross, man. Go, Nyo. Give it a lot of speed. While we all move in one direction, he goes against the flow. He doesn't miss a beat with those skilled hands. Art is created from simple tools. She effortlessly performs spins with just her feet for balance. The lightning-fast typing skills of this cashier would even stump hackers. There seems to be an invisible magic wall here. This astonishingly fast skiing speed deserves to break records. One of the tests for a street sweeper position. The sage on my team after I asked them 15 times for a heal. Becoming a professional racer is easy with just 2 hand carts. This guy glides smoothly with various moves on the water.